attacks its prey with precision and incredible power. Equipped with excellent keen eyesight, this majestic bird of prey can spot their prey up to 3 miles away. Eagles, masters of the skies, and unique high-flying predators attack their prey without mercy. In this episode, we'll bring you the most amazing raptors in action. Make sure you don't go anywhere. Let's get started. Top 10 eagles hunt their prey without mercy. Number 10. Eagle attacks wolf. The eagle soared high above the mountains, its keen eyes scanning the terrain below for its next prey. Suddenly, it spotted a lone wolf. Without hesitation, the eagle swooped down from the sky, its talons outstretched and ready to strike. The wolf had no time to react as the eagle plunged its sharp claws into its body, crushing its vital organs. This wolf, sensing danger, began to run, but the eagle's powerful wings propelled it faster and faster, closing in on its prey. With a fierce punch, the powerful talon hit the wolf right on the head, sending it crashing to the ground. The chase and punch was quick but intense, a testament to the eagle's hunting skills and the wild's brutal nature. This footage demonstrates the golden eagle's swift and precise attack on the wolf as it flew at a low altitude with great agility. Number 9. Eagle attacks goat. This incredible clip shows a golden eagle attacking a mountain goat. The eagle thrust its talons into the mountain goat's neck, gripping tight as if lifted off into the air, taking the goat with it. Number 8. Eagle hunting monkey. The harpy eagle is a large and majestic bird of prey that lives in the lowland tropical rainforests. With a 6-inch spread of talons, he can easily throttle his prey. They feed primarily on monkeys and sloths, but also prey on other animals, reptiles, and birds. With its precious cargo securely in its grasp, the harpy eagle makes its way back to its nest, high up in the treetops. Here it is met by its chicks, eagerly awaiting their next meal. The harpy eagle then proceeds to tear apart the monkey, feeding its family with care. Number 7. Eagle hunting deer. The golden eagle reigns as one of the most skilled hunters of the skies. With its keen eyesight and monstrous talons, it can take down prey much larger than itself, including deer. This eagle launches a full-scale aerial attack on a deer. The sight of the powerful bird of prey standing victorious over its fallen prey was a reminder of the brutal nature of the wild and the constant struggle for survival. Number 6. Eagle attacks fox. A video captures the moment when an eagle launches a precise and powerful blow, with its sharp talons slamming into the fox's back. The fox screamed in pain and surprise, but the eagle's grip is too strong. A bald eagle swooped down to attack a fox. With talons outstretched, the eagle lifted the fox off the ground and into the air. But the fox, unwilling to be its next meal, put up a fierce struggle and managed to break free from its grip. Number 5. Eagle hunts impala. This video shows a martial eagle standing over its latest catch, a baby impala. its sharp talons still firmly gripping the lifeless body. The eagle then began to feast on its prey. The martial eagle approached the adult impala, its sharp talons primed for attack. But the impala stands firm, ready to defend in a battle of strength and cunning. Number 4. Eagle attacks cat. High in a tree, a martial eagle standing proudly, its sharp talons gripping the lifeless body of a serval cat. It was a sad sight, but that's the way of the wild. The eagle is a hunter, a predator, and it must eat to survive. This domestic cat has fallen victim to the strength and cunning of an eagle, becoming a sacrifice in the unending cycle of life and death. Eagles are opportunistic hunters and will prey on smaller animals, including domestic cats, if they are available and vulnerable. Number 3. Eagle hunts hare. The eagle is king among birds of prey. This bird uses its sharp vision and keen instincts to locate their prey and swoop down to capture them. This amazing clip shows the eagle swooping down with incredible speed, its powerful talons outstretched and ready to strike. The hare leapt into action, dodging and weaving as it tried to escape the eagle's pursuit. But the raptor was too quick, too skilled, and soon the hare was caught in its grasp. Eagles typically hunt hares or rabbits on the ground, diving down and using their talons to grasp and hold the animal while they feed on it. Number 2. Eagle hunting goose. With lightning speed, a bald eagle swooped down towards the lake, surprising the goose that was swimming peacefully on the surface. Caught off guard by the sudden attack, the goose quickly dove under the water to escape the eagle's talons. Finally, the eagle succeeded in its pursuit with a firm grip on its prey. The eagle took flight into the sky. This is another footage showing a white-tailed eagle swooping down and attacking a goose swimming on a lake. The huge prey is then taken to the nearest bank where the eagle began plucking it. Despite the bird appearing to still be alive during its meal, the eagle continued to feast. Number 1. Eagle versus bear. In this video, the bald eagle showcases its sheer strength and bravery as it fearlessly attacks a bear's head with its sharp talons. The bear feels in pain, a testament to the power of the majestic eagle and its unwavering defense of its nest. We hope you enjoyed this video and consider subscribing to stay updated on future content. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up and check out some of our other videos, and thanks for watching.